Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is August the 3rd, 2021. Definitely want to do a huge shout out to all of our trap watchers, the ones who are looking at price charts, trying to get an understanding as to where the market price is going to go, just so that we can get in position and win. This is what the whole purpose of looking at price charts is supposed to be about, is to be forecasting and predicting where market prices are likely to go, so that you can just be prepared to move when the market needs you to in order to get in position to win, or to get out the way to minimize those losses. So if you guys want to join us, if you guys want to join our community, you do that by hitting the like button, and also subscribing to the channel. Even if you just want to learn, just to get an understanding as to how the market really operates, we are definitely that channel for you. So again, the doors are open for you to participate. So now real quick, Dogecoin, is the panic spreading in regards to where the market price is going to go? You guys can tell from our last video that we've done for Dogecoin, which was on July the 21st, 2021. We told everyone to expect the price to go higher. And you guys can tell that that is pretty much what has occurred. Now, you guys can see where we told you all that we would expect the market selling to occur, right? We told everyone on that particular day for Dogecoin to be prepared to see some restriction right there around 21 cents. And take a look. Many days we've seen the market in Dogecoin trade to where it could not break above that particular number. Ask yourself the question, how do we know that? How do we understand that that will be a point to where price will have issues of moving higher above? It's just about reading the charts. That's all it's about. Once you're able to read the charts and see price bars and volume for what it really is, you can actually be in position to take those profits right before the market was going to go down. Right? You might have seen some videos to where people was trying to predict market prices in Dogecoin going all the way back up to 30 cents. Well, right now the market cannot even break above 21 cents. So definitely want to say congratulations to all of our trap watchers out there who was able to capitalize on 13% profitability into the market since our last price prediction. So now that's it. Let me go ahead and get rid of this, and I want to show everyone where we are expecting this price in Dogecoin to go now. Okay, because like I told you earlier, the panic is spreading into the market in Dogecoin. Now, why would I say that? Just by looking at price bars and volume, because you can see it from this perspective, right? The market here in Dogecoin is having problems of breaking higher above 21 cents, 22 cents. That is where the panic is spreading, because as you see this market in Dogecoin start to go down in price, more and more people naturally, due to emotions, will become a little bit more fearful of their positions. Those who are looking for the price to go higher, shall I say, will become a little bit more fearful and may begin to panic about, okay, what should I do now? Should I jump out the market? Should I take my profit that I've already garnered? Or should I sit in the boat and wait? So yes, the market is finding problems around 21 cents. So now, what is the chances though that if we go out further in time that we can see the market in Dogecoin break above that particular level? Because one thing I will give you is that these price bars, the spread of them is a lot smaller versus to what we was going through in May, right? Only on 3 days we've seen the market volatility in Dogecoin back in early May, massive spreads, meaning that there was a lot of market activity going on into the space. Now you're not really seeing that. The spread is a lot tighter. The volume's a lot lighter. You guys can see here that we're having problems. So are we really in a bullish environment now? Or are we still expecting this market to consolidate? Because I want to show you, let me circle. I want to give you all the perspective right here. Okay. The last 4 3-day price bars. This is not something that we will want to see in terms of allowing this market to go higher. The consecutive days that we've seen this market in Dogecoin trade sideways with no ability, with no indication that the market is going to close on the high of these 3-day price bars, lets us know that we are losing that interest, that we are losing that demand to try to continue to push prices higher in Dogecoin. You can see it even a little bit better here on the 2-day. The market here in Dogecoin is giving us a lot of indication of weakness. Now, that doesn't mean that all is lost, right? You can see right here, around 19 cents. We can actually see the market price in Dogecoin prop up market and move higher from that point on. Okay. How do we end out for the month? So this is a monthly time frame into the market in Dogecoin. 3 consecutive months we've seen the price close lower than the previous month. So again, there is still weakness here into the market in Dogecoin. We got to keep it real. We got to see it for what it is. This is the 3 weeks time frame. I want to show you all this from a long-term perspective. Can we still see this price in Dogecoin come all the way back down towards 15 cents? Because literally that is where that area of ascension is. This is where you will want to come in and buy Dogecoin only under the premise that the market is going to give us support and the trend is going to stay intact right there. Okay, it's right there around 15 cents. This is the weekly time frame. Take a look at this, how it ended last week. It tells us that the market here in Dogecoin also is still showing us weakness. So let's not be tricked. Let's not get fooled into thinking that the market in Dogecoin is still a buy, right? Because the market is garnering to us that someone sold more than Dogecoin into the market. Someone did last week. And it had an impact on price movement to where we can still expect some weakness and movement to the downside to occur. Now, maybe we might only hit 18 cents. That's possible. Maybe we could still find the market grab support around 16 cents, right? So now, I want to show you, I want to create a trading channel so that we can utilize as the market in Dogecoin continues to trade out throughout the rest of August going into September. Okay. We need to see this market in Dogecoin try to come back up there towards 25 cents. We need to see that. Right now, we're not getting that on the weekly time frame. We're not seeing it here on the 5-day. And currently the 5-day time frame, we got 14 hours and 2 minutes left before this current 5-day price bar ends. And again, we're not getting a lot of volatility, not a lot of price movement. So far, yeah, the market here in Dogecoin is weak, but let me put that into perspective, right? I'm not telling you that the market's going to plummet. I'm not telling you that Dogecoin is going to crash. Just relax. We have to expect that prices do go down as well. That is what I mean when I say the market is weak in Dogecoin. So I'm going to eye around like 18 cents first, then back down to 16, then 15. Those will be the 3 areas that I will be on the lookout for to see price be sustained, or at least try to prop up the price. Okay. So let's see. Right there around 18 cents. It's around 8.8% movement to the downside in Dogecoin. Back down to 17. It's around 13 to 14%. Okay. So again, it's not too much. It's not dramatic. But again, the weakness is present. And we need to follow the market. We need to follow the trap to get in position before he takes the market there so that we can be waiting for him to give us our money. This is what this whole market is all about. Everyone is in here to make money. So we need to get ahead of everyone else so that we can continually win and dominate this space. So check it out. This is what we're going to look out for. Okay. We're looking for the market price in Dogecoin to continue to give us slight weakness. All right. I'm not expecting a plummet, but we can still see this market in Dogecoin come down lower. Our first area of TP would be right there around 18.5 cents. Okay. We need to come in and skim off some of that profitability right there around 8.5 cents. It's around 5.68%. It's not a lot. Okay. I will give you that, but I'm not really expecting too much price movement in this market for Dogecoin. So we need to come in, grab what we can get, and then get out the way. 5.68%, around 18.5 cents. Back down to 18. That would be the second area of TP, which simply means take the profit, 8.6%. And then I'm going to take it down to 17 ultimately. Okay, it was around 14% in the market in Dogecoin there. And I'm going to bring up the restriction area in the market in Dogecoin right there around 23 cents. And that's it. So again, you guys can see from our prediction that the market is still pretty much expected to trade within these 2 lines. So again, not a lot of price activity, volatility is being seen on the price chart for Dogecoin. So I want to know, where do y'all expect the market price in Dogecoin to go over the next 3 weeks? Where do you think the market price is going to be? This is our expectations. It might get there sooner, or it might take the full 3 weeks. I want you all to let me know. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.